In this video, let's talk about the specificity. It defines the priority of a CSS selector. So we have discussed about the many CSS selectors here. ID selector, class selector, likewise direct child selectors, general selector, adjacent sibling selectors, and many more. Okay. But if I see here the priority of these selectors, then we may get confused here. You can see here I have created one file specificity.html and I have created here one class that is my class and one ID that is my ID. Okay. And if I run this code, what will be the color of this paragraph? At first, you can guess here, and then I'm going to run this code by pressing on the go live options from here. This code is running here, and this got the red color here. Why red color? Because I'm putting here the important. First of all, let's remove this important from here. And if I go to browser, now its color became blue here. Because in the comparison between the ID and the class, the ID will get first priority here. So its color became blue. And if we talk about if I put here the important, then the important will get at first priority. It doesn't care about the other things. It will get first priority here. And then after getting the first priority of the important, and after that, the inline CSS will get the second priority. Okay. If I write here the inline CSS, like if I give a style and then the color as yellow. Okay. And if I go to here, now its color became yellow here because at second position, then the inline CSS will get priority. But I'm writing here in the P tag. But if I type here, this is style tag in a deep tag, okay, then its color again become red here because the first priority will get given to the important. And if there is a not important is mentioned here, then inline CSS will trigger there and its color became the yellow there. Okay. So likewise, if I go to here, and in this way you can define the priority in CSS. But if you talk about the many more priority in CSS, then I will write here and we'll discuss about it. At first, the priority will be given to the important. It doesn't care about other things. IMPOR, TNT important. And after the important, like in one number, at first important, and in two number, there is a inline CSS, and then and three number, there is a element selector, not ID selector, okay. SELEC ID selector, and then the pseudo ID selector, pseudo ID selector, okay. And after that, class selector, CTOR selector, and then the pseudo class selector. And at last, the priority will given to the universal selector. So in this way, you can define the order of CSS selectors. So at first, important will get the first priority. And if there isn't any important, then the inline CSS will get first priority. If there isn't no any inline CSS, then ID selectors. And then after that, pseudo ID selector will get first priority. After that, class selectors will get priority. And then the pseudo class will get priority. And after that, universal selector will get the priority. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you so very much.